And people love it. I put it in little bags. I give it out as Christmas gifts. And my family be happy. They be like, oh, yay. So that's probably what they're going to get again.
Right. Shoot, people be glad to eat little food.
Yes.
When you get home, you got some snacks. Oh, yes. Thank you, Shanice.
I eat on that. Like, if I make that, it's kind of bad because I eat on it all December. It's just come natural, like grab it, like with my coffee. I'm gonna have to make you some and bring it up here, cause it's addicting. And snack on it. And that's
it's nothing but food there.
Everywhere.
That's all we need. The night we came there, we ate at the hotel. They had a nice restaurant, but we brought it up to the room.
Nice.
The next day, Jeremy was tired, and I'm the type like, when I go on vacation, I don't want to just rest. I want to go see the city, see where I'm at.
Yeah.
So I went downstairs, went to the coffee station. And I thought they were gonna have like breakfast ready already downstairs. They didn't start till 10.
Late.
I know, and it was brunch.
You ready for me? Hey everybody, thank you Robin for letting me speak on your vlog. I'm doing a online workshop. It's going to be creative wedding planning. I'm a wedding planner with Montgomery Weddings and Events, and we are doing a special through our podcast, The Pink Elephant Show. So plug for the podcast. If you want relationship, business, life tips, we talk about it all, Dominique and I, and we'll love to have you join us as well. The course will be online, so it doesn't matter where you are. You can join us on January 10th and you can start booking it today. It will be $250, but if you watch this show, you get $50 off and you'll be able to join. And so during that course, I'm going to help you plan a creative wedding without breaking the bank. So we're going to talk about strategizing your budget. We're going to think about creative ways for you to plan a wedding, and just different steps that I took to plan my wedding. I planned a surprise destination wedding for $3,000. So I'm going to walk you through exactly how I did that during this course, as well as you'll also get a one-on-one consultation with me that you can use after the course, where we'll do additional planning to make sure that all those things that we talk about during that workshop, that they make sense for you on your special day. I'm going to be giving out all my tips, y'all. So all my websites and vendors that I think every bride should know about before they start finding vendors. There's a lot of loopholes and deals out there that I've done a lot of research about, and I found those, and I'm going to be sharing those exclusively with everyone who's on that, a part of that workshop. So if you are engaged, or you think the ring is on the way, or maybe you're just very hopeful, sis, you can join us as well. I would love to have you there. Thank you.